Hi, welcome to Pot of Gold Articulation. This is going to be a very quick tutorial on how to use this resource with your students or children. When you click the center of this button, you will get that magical noise that you just heard. If you click anywhere else on this button, it will take you to the next page. So here is our Choose a Sound page. We have 8 phonemes that we're going to be able to target in this resource. Once again, if you click in the center, it's going to give you a sound. If you click somewhere else on the pot of gold, it will take you to the next page. So on this page, we have our vocabulary words that have the SH sound in all positions. They are hidden underneath these little clouds. So your student is going to simply remove the cloud and label what they see. So these pictures are not labeled with a word. They're simply in the picture form. So your student will move all of these and say each word 3 times. Now, I want to point out that this shamrock, it makes sense on this page because it has an SH, but it is also found on every single page because of the theme of the resource. So when your student uncovers this one, let's say you're targeting the L sound on an L page, they're still going to find the shamrock, and you can make a big deal and say, oh my gosh, you found the shamrock. It's a really exciting thing for my students especially. So you just need to make a big deal out of it, okay? So they're going to name the picture 3 times, and then they move over here to go find some gold. So this is still part of our journey before we get to the pot of gold. So this is going to take our target words in the written form, so we no longer have a picture, and we're just focusing on how do we make the sound using this visual cue for the placement of our lips and teeth. So we're going to say each word 3 times. You can have them go across and say sheep, 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 or you can have them go down in a list. It really is up to you. If you want to proceed on, you click here. If you wanted to go home, this is your home button, obviously. So let's continue on. So here we have the pot of gold, we have a carrier sentence, and we have a smaller visual for how our lips and teeth should be when we're making the SH sound. Your student will remove the gold coin, and they are going to use this word in this carrier sentence or carrier phrase. So they can say, I found a sheep. Now this word is up to you. They could say, I found one sheep, white sheep, a soft sheep. You can add more words in here, but if you want to keep it simple, you can just keep it as a 4-word carrier sentence. So this is the game, and I hope that you have a great time with it. If you have any questions, just let me know, and you can always reference back to this video on how to use it.